Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you an amazing tool I discovered called Handbrake. This is a free open source window application that lets you compress large video files like a massive 2.5 gig file down to as small as 50 megabytes without losing quality. Yes, you heard that right. No loss in quality. Let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to download the software. I have included the download link in the description box below. Once you have downloaded and installed it, we are ready to get started. On step 2, you launch the software. When you open Handbrake, you will see you find a clean and easy to navigate dashboard. On the left hand side, you will notice an option that says open uh, open video file. So when you click on that, it's going to ask you to select a video. So I am going to select a video now from my computer system, and I have this video. As you can see, the size is 2.50 gig, and I want to compress this video. So when you click on it, next you open the file. It will prompt you to select the video you want to open it. So um, now here's the fun part. You click on open, and you'll be presented with these settings. So this is where you ensure the video retains its quality after compression. On the summary tab, make sure everything is set correctly as I am showing you. This is to be ticked. Then go to dimensions tab and ensure the resolution is set to 1080p HD. Then under the video file, ensure the encoder is set to H.264 and set the frame rate to 30 fps 30, and you can leave the filters and other settings as they are unless you need advanced adjustment. So on step 5, once everything is set up, you have to click on start encoding. So when you start encode, the compression process will begin. And take note of where the compressed file will be saved. You can also change this save location if needed. So I'm going to pause the recording while it compresses. The compression is done, and from my screen, this is the compressed file. And if we check the properties of that file now, you will find that it has been compressed from 2.50 gig to 140 megabytes. Let us confirm. This is the compressed file, 140 megabytes, and the length is 1 hour 10 minutes and 7 seconds. And this is the original file here, week 8. As you can see, the original file, the size is 2.50 gig, and it correlates with the length, which is 1 hour 10 minutes and 7 seconds. So and that's how you compress a large video file using Handbrake. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others, and also let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.